Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Are you looking to level up your trading game without spending hours glued to your screen? Stick around because I've got something exciting to share with you today. Check out the link in the description below to grab a special offer on Coinrule. Alright, let's dive in. Coinrule is a game changer in the world of crypto trading. Imagine having your very own trading bot, working 24/7, executing your strategies while you're busy living your life. Sounds amazing, right? But before you get started, you might be wondering, how much does this magic cost? Don't worry, I've got all the details for you. Coinrule offers a tiered subscription model that caters to everyone from beginners to trading pros. First up, the free plan. Yes, you heard that right. Free! It's perfect for newbies who want to test the waters. You get up to 2 demo rules, allowing you to create and experiment with your strategies without risking real money. It's a great way to get a feel for how Coinrule works. Next, we have the hobbyist plan, priced at just $29.99 per month. This plan steps up your game with up to 7 rules and 1 live trading rule. Plus, you get access to TradingView signals and Telegram notifications. It's like having a mini trading assistant in your pocket. Moving on to the trader plan, which costs $59.99 per month. Now we're talking serious business. With this plan, you unlock 15 rules and 3 live trading rules. It's packed with features like advanced indicators, 20 demo exchange connections, and priority support. Perfect for those who want to take their trading strategies to the next level. And for the pros out there, we have the Pro plan at $449.99 per month. This plan is a powerhouse. You get unlimited rules, unlimited live trading, and access to all Coinrule's advanced features. It's designed for professional traders who demand the best and want to maximize their returns. Now, I know what you're thinking, that Pro plan is a bit pricey, but think about it. If you're serious about crypto trading, the returns you can generate with a powerful, automated bot can far outweigh the cost. But wait, before you decide which plan is right for you, don't forget to click the link in the description for a special discount. That's right, you can get started with Coinrule at an even better rate. So, whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, Coinrule has a plan that's perfect for you. Automate your trading, save time, and never miss a market opportunity again. What are you waiting for? Click that link below and get started with Coinrule today. Alright, that's it for now. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Happy trading, everyone!